everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenbarger here, 2019 SEMA in the OER booth with my man Mark from the great state of Oregon, which I live in. It's so great to see you, and if you don't know who this guy is, then you are not a Mopar fan. It's so great to see you from Graveyard Cars. Great to have you here. What's going on?
Hey, buddy. Good to see you. Yeah, we've been at the show the last couple of days visiting some different places. We're in our favorite one right now. These are the guys that make us look good. We're at the OER booth. Absolutely having a ball, really excited to be here. We just finished doing a big signing, had a lot of people here.
All right, Mark, why OER?
Anybody that's watched the show knows the type of restorations that we do, for the most part, is original equipment manufacturing, OEM. We want it to look exactly the way it did when it started life 50 years ago. So, along the way of doing all the hard labor, you have parts. When it comes to the parts, you have three choices. You can take an original part, restore it, and hope that it comes out good enough to go on this OEM restoration. You can pick up the phone and order, or try to find, I should say, a new old stock part. Well, those are gold. So if you're looking for a new old stock grill for a 70 Charger, you're going to be really sorry when you have to pay that price. Then there is original equipment reproduction, and that's what OER stands for. That's the answer to your question lies in the name of the product. So now when I call up OER and I say I need that grill, I'm not going to pay $25,000 for it like you could for a new old stock one that's 50 years old and could crack when you're putting it in. This is the answer to the restoration world that we've all been waiting for. Parts that look exactly right. They're authorized by Chrysler in this particular case, and they fit and go on the car correctly. It lets me do what I do, and it helps me look good.
What's on the horizon for Graveyard Cars? Because it's always something new, and it's always fun to watch because it's so much about the personalities. I mean, yes, we get to see cool cars, but it's also fun to see all the personalities.
So this season that's coming up at the end of the month, good luck. We even got animation this year. I've been trying to tell them, I want animation in Graveyard Cars. Mark, it's a reality show about restoring cars. How does that work? I don't know. But it's working. So yeah, look forward to that. This is going to be the wildest season we've ever done. And there's still lots of good Mopars in it.
All right, Mark, as always, it's been a great time talking to you. If people know you, they know that you build some of the most outrageously perfectionist cars ever. If they want more information about the parts that you use, where do we send them?
I would go right to OERparts.com and look up whatever it is that you need. They'll have it right there, I guarantee it.
And what about the show? How do we follow along?
Graveyard Cars? Just go to graveyardcars.com, and anything you want to know about what's happening, it'll be there. All of our social media and some nice little teasers about the animation that we're working on right now.
Well, you heard the man. It's either OERparts.com or graveyardcars.com. It's SEMA 2019.